tiny games, retro vibes, and a whole lot of nostalgia. This thing is absolutely awesome, and just when I thought I couldn't find anything else for my game room, I found this. If you're like me, you are running out of space for your game room, and how can you solve that? Well, I guess you find smaller items. I was so excited when I found this on Etsy from this seller that I will link below in the description. And he has so many cool items, so many cool miniature game pieces. And of course, I have always been an Xbox fanboy. And when I saw this setup where you can choose your TV, you can choose the amount of games and which games you get, and so much more, I had to get this. And we will take a look at each individual piece. We'll take a little nostalgia trip through the games that I chose and just overall have a good time. The first piece we'll look at is the little table stand right here. Of course, you can get different colors of this. Then we have the TV right here. Of course, you have to get an old school TV. I love how it also has the analogs in the front and a little remote that comes with it. So cool. I was rocking it with this. It also has covers that you can put on the screens. Now, I didn't actually get to choose this, but I'm sure if I messaged him, he could have let me choose, but he did great in choosing all Halo for me. And of course, the main Xbox menu right here. And then the Xbox itself, so tiny. Look at it next to the regular Xbox. I can't believe how small this is. It's perfect. Then over here, of course, you have magazines that came with it. Also didn't get to choose this, but he did a very good job. Got Halo, Enter the Matrix, Deus Ex, Grand Theft Auto, Rainbow Six, and whatever that middle bottom one was. Right here is the case. The cases for the games, and the games actually fit in perfectly. Just like this. Absolutely love it. And then, you know what? Let's go ahead and we will actually take a look at all these games. These were some of my favorite games growing up, and I'm sure I forgot some, but I got to choose 20. And I want to say this is actually 21 because I asked if I could get Skyrim as a gift. Even though it's not original Xbox, and they gave me Skyrim because, hey, you gotta have Skyrim. Let's take a look at the first game here. Destroy All Humans. Oh my goodness, this was such a funny game where you could actually probe people.
Moo. Primitive, yet profound.
Enter the Matrix. I felt so bad to the bone playing this game with all the slow motion moves. I remember bringing this to school one day to show it off. And of course, Mercenaries. I spent countless hours in this game. The OG Far Cry, where you eventually got powers. Pariah, another supposed Halo killer, but was still awesome. Mech Assault was probably one of the first games where I truly had fun in multiplayer. True Crime, a game I thought was better than GTA at the time.
They call it the City of Angels. Funny, in my 30 years here, I haven't seen a single one. I'm not gonna reason with you. I'm just gonna shoot you.
The OG Red Dead Revolver. So much personality, such great music.
Red Homo! What are you doing to my pots and pans?
What the hell are you looking at? Fill 'em full of lead.
Battlefield 2 Modern Combat, a game where you could switch characters mid-fight. Halo Combat Evolved? I mean, come on. It's everything.
Down! Hit it, Marines! Go, go, go!
Don't get cocky now.
Star Wars The Clone Wars? I actually had this in a package with Tetris in the same game.
1 down, 2 to go. Master Windu, I've input the coordinates for the second anti-orbit.
Tetris Worlds, still my favorite Tetris game to this day. PsyOps, such a cool game with awesome ragdoll physics. Fable, the first game where I felt like my choices mattered.
Please come and help my wife. She's trapped by a Balverine. Quick! She's just down here. Follow me. Please be merciful. Need help.
I will admit that Halo 2 was honestly my favorite Halo. Brothers in Arms was really one of the first games that made me feel so much emotion.
You want me? Take me! Take me!
Star Wars Republic Commando, that music hits hard.
Sir.
Getting acquainted with the locals, eh, Sev?
That was fun.
Where's Sunfac?
In the next room, boss.
Burnout Revenge, the one game girls were good at. Splinter Cell Chaos Theory, where stealth is king.
3 alarms and the mission is over?
Of course not. This is no video game, Fisher. But you don't want the whole place alerted to your presence. Keep it under control.
Talk, but talk quietly.
I'll tell you anything. I'm the biggest coward you've ever met.
That's quite a claim.
I've already wet myself.
Well, then you've made the top 10.
Even though I got strictly Xbox games, I had to get Skyrim. I just had to. Y'all understand. Guys, I want to thank y'all so much for checking out this video and checking out this awesome product. Miniatures is just something that I personally don't think about a lot, and so I imagine maybe y'all don't think about this a lot. I could see myself totally having a shelf dedicated to a mini game setup. Guys, please check out this creator on Etsy. He was so awesome to work with, and the price is great. Guys, my channel is dedicated to gaming setups, mainly RGB lights and more, so please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.